If you're running Google Ads or paying someone to do it for you, this video might save you a lot of money. These are the 5 mistakes I still see in 2025. And they quietly kill the results for service businesses. If you want more high quality leads and less wasted budget, watch this video before you run another campaign. By far, this is the most common mistake that I see people make, especially those that are new to Google advertising. It's important to understand the following distinction. Google Ads is an excellent platform to advertise on. When you search on Google, you'll see a lot of sponsored ads from different businesses, meaning it works. Again, Google Ads is an excellent platform, but Google, the company, doesn't always have your best interests at heart. For example, when you log into your ads account, Google will offer you to talk to their expert. The problem is that these so-called experts are just Google's salespeople. Their goal is to sell you to features that puts more money into Google's pocket, but doesn't exactly improve your results, and oftentimes can even harm your account. One of those features is auto-apply recommendations. If there's anything that Google Ads professionals agree on, is that you should never auto-apply recommendations. It's best to be able to pick and choose the recommendations and only implement those that are relevant to your business. Google is getting smarter. That's true. With all the machine learning and now AI, but it's still not your strategist. I've seen campaigns run entirely on automation, auto keywords, auto bidding, even auto generated ads. Most of them fail. Here's the thing, the algorithm might chase clicks instead of leads, or it may optimize for volume instead of quality. Google doesn't know your profit margin or your ideal client. That's the job of your strategist. Not all campaigns are created equal. One of the most common mistakes, running performance max when you actually need search. Search campaigns show your ad to people who are already looking for your service. That's intent. Leads that come from search campaigns are usually ready to buy, making them some of the best quality leads that you can find. Another common mistake is using similar headlines and descriptions across the board. It's monotonous, safe, but forgettable. What actually works is variety. Each headline should tackle a different angle. Your offer, your unique selling points, a client result, or even an emotional hook. That's how you command attention and attract the right people. Even a great campaign can bring you leads if your landing page is weak. This is the leak most businesses never see. And this one stings. You paid for the click, but then the landing page drops the ball. Your page should echo the promise of your ad, remove friction, and make it easy for them to raise their hand. Otherwise, every click is a waste of money. Here are 3 more mistakes that, when fixed, can save you thousands of dollars. First is ignoring negative keywords. You want to regularly monitor and block all the irrelevant keywords. Otherwise, you'll be spending a lot of money on keywords that will not bring you leads. Next is location setting. By default, Google will expand your audience beyond the target location that you set. That means Google will show your ads not just on the city or the state that you targeted, but to different cities, states, even different countries. And you don't want that. You want to show ads only to people who are in or regularly in your target locations. Lastly, display and search partners. Again, this is a sneaky tactic from Google and are enabled by default. I recently audited an account that spent $60,000 and these are enabled. The result was more than 90% of the leads they're getting are junk. That's how harmful it can be. And you can fix that by simply disabling these options. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you're curious about our process and how we bring high quality leads to service businesses, then you can check out this video.